D2 Racing customized wheels, which provide the top service and meet by a JWL standard. We provide more than 20,000 kinds of DuPont colors for option. Every wheel will proceed according to the most complete standard process. Before entering the painting process, our technicians will make the disc and rim face milling, polish, clean, and etc. The painting process need to be operated by professional technician, according to customer's appointed color and requirement. We use heat and durable nanometer material to proceed the painting process. After the surface is coloring evenly, using powder oil painting skill and over 200-degree heat, the surface will be more delicate. Before assembly, technician will wax the surface of the product. Then the technician will use the torque wrench to fix the disc and rim tight. The finished wheels all have to be tested if its roundness and concentricity meet the standard. Also we will use balance machine to test if the wheel balance conforms the standard. Our center cap is adopted with deep carved logo design. Before shipping out, we will also check if the product is correct again. Next episode: Real car test and installation.